Holy shit.
That looks like Christmas tree.
Woo, here we are in the backwaters.
Oh, sweet. Sweet.
That is awesome, dude. Yeah, Christmas tree just closed.
Hey, I won that Christmas tree for a snake.
Shut up, Gerbil.
Shut up. Oh, you are down here. When did you get here?
Oh, half hour, 45 minutes ago.
Oh, yeah?